Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson and for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong review ng FBS Trading Broker. On this video discussion, malalaman mo yung mga importanteng detalye na magbibigay sa atin ng dagdag knowledge. Is it safe to trade with FBS dito sa atin sa Pilipinas? Ano yung mga services na ino-offer nila with traders? The deposits and withdrawals na available and many more na pwede mong mapagkunan ng information about this trading broker. Kaya kung isa ka rin sa naghahanap ng review nito, tapusin mo lang panoorin ang video na to. And so, let's proceed. So, una sa lahat, ano po ba itong FBS? FBS is a licensed global broker operating in over 150 countries and holding over 90 prestigious awards. As to their claim, so multi-awarded po ang broker na to mga kaibigan. And makikita natin ang figures na to with the trust of over 27 million traders. Ganun po kadami. And 700,000 partners. FBS has established itself as a reliable financial service provider. So as to track record of business operations, talagang hindi rin mabibehind ang trading broker na to. FBS offers over 550 trading instruments to trade like forex, metals, indices, and stocks. And again, since 2009 when FBS was founded, nakakuha ito ng over 90 international awards regarding with financial services. This time, ang pag-uusapan naman natin kung ano ang mga trading accounts na ino-offer ng FBS to their clients. This following accounts mga kaibigan is available po ito sa mga nakaraang taon, but as of this moment dito sa atin sa Pilipinas parang may iilang option na lang ng pag-open ng trading account, which is ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya konti. So dito una ang cent account, merong micro account, standard account, zero spread account, ECN account, and crypto account. Actually, merong ding Islamic account na available. Makikita natin ang details nito through their website. So, as of this year, pag tayo ay nag-open ng trading account with FBS, meron itong default na standard account na automatic mag-create as we register. So like dito sa aking trading account with FBS, merong real account na standard, meron ding demo account na standard, and kung gusto nating magdagdag ng iba pang account, so makikita natin dito na ang available option na pwede po nating pagpipilian is the standard and the cent account only. And so the question is, madali lang po ba magbukas ng trading account with FBS broker? Actually, sinubukan ko ito, mabilis at wala masyadong sinabi pa kuskus balungos as we register. Now, kung wala ka pang trading account with FBS and gusto mong subukan broker na to, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video natin, gaya po nito, and you will be directly routed with this sign up page na makikita natin sa screen ngayon. And if you are using your mobile phone, you don't need to worry dahil ang mga flow and instructions and informations from us na kailangan ay pare-pareho lang. So as you can see, una, input lang po natin ang ating email and the full name, then register. At the same time, pwede rin po natin directly gamitin ang ating Facebook account, Google account, or Apple ID. Automatic na po ito ma-sign up. And the final part will be naglalagay ng ating personal details at ang pagbe-verify ng ating identity through our valid IDs like driver's license, passport, national ID, and among others. And also ang pagbe-verify ng ating address using ng mga proof of address like water bill, internet bill, electricity bill, at marami pa pong iba. Alright? In terms naman sa trading platform, available with FBS ang most common na ginagamit, itong MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which is pwede po natin itong i-download sa Android, Windows, Apple iOS, Apple Mac iOS, and available din ang MetaTrader Web Trader in which pwedeng mag-trade na tayo diretso na hindi na naka-download ng applications. And of course, available din ang FBS Trading App, a smart, secure, and simple solution to help you uncover your trading potential. Very beneficial po ito, lalong-lalo na sa mga on-the-go na tao dahil pwede tayong mag-trade anytime, anywhere sa ating mobile phone as long as available ang internet connection. And pwede natin itong ma-download from App Store and Google Play. Kung gusto mo ring subukang mag-trade with FBS mobile app, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video natin. Pwede mo itong ma-download at makapag-open ka ng iyong trading account. This time, explore naman natin ang general trading condition ng broker na to, mga kaibigan. As to spreads, FBS ay hindi masyadong mababa but hindi rin kataasan. Nasa average lang po yung charges nila. So floating from 0.7 pips, ang order volume na allowed is from 0.01 to 500 lots. Open positions is up to 500 and order execution from 0.01 seconds. And no commission po sila with opening and closing positions. Available din po ang swap free. Meaning po nito na may mga trading instruments talaga na may swap. Leverage up to 1:3,000. Margin call 40%. Meron din pong negative balance protection and stop out 20%. In terms naman sa payment methods, meron po silang 200 plus available. Nakadepende kung anong country. And the best part is instant withdrawals ay available din and the initial deposit for as low as $5. And in case na kung may commission charge in terms of processing, deposit or withdrawal ay hindi po ito by FBS. Now, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang mga available payment methods dito sa atin sa Pilipinas in terms of deposit and withdrawal dito sa FBS. So, as I evaluate this, kung ano yung available for deposit options ay pare-pareho lang na mga payment methods na available with withdrawals. So, ayan, top of the list, itong GCash, processed instantly, and minimum deposit is 500 pesos up to 50,000 pesos in a single transaction. Meron ding Visa, Mastercard, BPI, Banco de Oro, RCBC, Union Bank, Maya, Metrobank, PNB. So again, merong option 3, Visa and Maestro card. Available din ang GrabPay, Bank of Commerce, Online Banking, China Bank, and Security Bank Cash Payment. And for withdrawal, makikita natin, yung mga nabanggit kanina ay nandito pa rin. As I recall, in terms of deposit with GCash, ay may minimum po ito na 500 pesos. But this time, kung tayo ay magwe-withdraw ng ating funds, ay pwede po tayong mag-withdraw with GCash for as low as 200 pesos. Kaya napaka-convenient din pala ng FBS in terms of deposit and withdrawal, which is very important po ito na part pag tayo ay nagtitrade, lalong-lalo na kung gagamitin na natin ang ating funds. Now, ito yung mga iilang documents na nag-susupport ng legitimacy of FBS as a trading broker concerning with regulations ng mga nagbibigay ng financial services sa market. So una, itong Australia Securities and Investment Commission, ang FBS ay regulated dito with a license type market making and the license number is 426359. And next with Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, license type is market making with a license number 331/17. And they also have Belize Financial Services Commission with a license type Retail Forex License and a license number 0000102/460. Now, in conclusion, at ang tanong ngayon, safe ba na mag-trade sa FBS dito sa Pilipinas? And the answer of that ay naka-align po dito. FBS emerges as a compelling choice with its diverse trading instruments, intuitive platforms na kahit beginners ay madaling makapag-adapt dahil wala masyadong complications. And more importantly, meron itong efficient customer support and low minimum deposits. At napakalaking advantage nito lalong-lalo na sa mga professional traders, the competitive spreads, and an array of educational materials readily available for beginners and even advanced traders. Kaya yung mga nabanggit natin makes FBS an accessible and attractive option for traders of varying experience levels. However, it's pivotal to acknowledge that FBS may have limitations in offering certain trading instruments. Kaya the bottom line is yes, safe mag-trade dito sa FBS, but every trader ay may kanya-kanya po siyang need. So what matters most is kung ano yung need natin as a trader ay dapat ma-align sa broker kung saan tayo magti-trade. So that's all lang po muna for this video mga kaibigan. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Good luck with your trading journey.